Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren launches mobile laboratory on Labike service to reach out healthcare facilities to people residing in remote areas of Manipur. All India Trinamool Congress Committee, Manipur urges 60 state MLAs to resolve against CAB 2019 bill in the ongoing state legislative assembly. Yet to be inaugurated, Paidinga New Primary School in Lamsang constituency becomes heaven for drug abusers. Indian Air Force shoots down F-16 aircraft of Pakistan Air Force. External Affairs Ministry says India foils Pakistan attempt to target its military installations. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla says Sumang Lela art form plays pivotal role in spreading its message of love, peace and unity in society. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren launched a mobile laboratory on Labike service today. Labike service aims to reach out health care facilities including diagnostic tests and ECG to people residing in far-flung areas of the state. The Chief Minister also laid the foundation stone for construction of Ladies Hostel No. 2, Gents Hostel No. 3 and Infectious Diseases Center of Jenims. The Directorate of Health Service organized the event in collaboration with National Health Mission and Jenims Society at Jenims Auditorium. 85 Labike will be kept for ensuring Labike service to every nook and corners of the state. For the first phase, the Chief Minister today launched 20 Labike. 2 Labike each will be provided for the districts of Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur and Thoubal, while the remaining districts will get 1 LA bike each. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren urged medical staffs not to be reluctant to take up postings in remote areas as every staffs will be transferred on a rotational basis after every 2 years tenure of posting at a particular location.
Hospital the test of government so many new things has been facilitated. High diagnosis to RIMS, Jenims, free the dialysis to go free the fund. Masiata Jagata Lapangam of the Defangri. Adu de Quinasum Cox at Hatraka. Carmito Kongang the lady, but Arapasing the lady missing Sida. Sida the Jenims of Fangiver, Rims of Fangiver facilities in share. Moi the Fangwaya and get the guys cook to me. Other Quigi Manipurgumba, I'm a Tarrant. Geographically, I'm the difficult labor, heavy vehicles. Ambulance sangba adaba jaga di kari to bota ge guys adu dani akoina si lausi si tawrasi na manung da khungang ga leba masa safety tongning ba test tongning ba hospital da kari da private natraga koi jenims lakpang amju da bising du facilitate to maximum 2 years hariba laboratory technicians si sing da tabo ro tam da tabo ro sahi ani ni rotation da to howa.
All India Trinamool Congress Committee, Manipur State Unit drew attention of the 60 state MLAs to resolve to stand against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in the ongoing state legislative assembly session in similar manner like Nagaland State Assembly. Speaking to media at AITCC Manipur Unit Office in Sajinthong today, party state convener Dr. T.H. Inaucha declared that Secular Democratic Front SDF, a conglomerate of 8 political parties, including AITC Manipur unit, will field candidates for both inner and outer parliamentary seats in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He said 3 candidates have submitted forms for inner parliamentary seats and 2 for outer parliamentary seats so far. Dr. Inaucha claimed that many aspiring candidates are prepared to contest as SDF candidates, including eminent politicians and even those waiting for BJP or Congress tickets. The SDF convener further extended full solidarity to upcoming mass rally on March 3rd, called by STD-CM in demand for inclusion of Meitei or Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution. He also mentioned that talks are underway to include a demand for ST status for Meitei or Meitei community in the party's election manifesto.
Inner amasung outer da koi Secular Democratic Front Manipur gi Lok Sabha gi mirep suksoi soidana thadogani front ki mirep asi karamba party da lep ka de ge habidu di hogjima ki oina di koi laite candidate oigadoriba mi masaduna decide tawjersnu haidana political party nipan gi warep amagi matungina front ki oiba mirep puthokba haidana warep lawjare hojik phawda chingda mirep oiga haina mioi ani lae tamdana ahum lae Canada Karamba Mio the Franki Mirep or in a Tadolagadi Hena Pagatagi Haiba, a Kogi Pranasina, Makata, and Yam Kupna Kananeri.
Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhabananda stressed the need to improve agriculture sector of the state to boost the state's economy. He was speaking at the inaugural of a two-day national seminar on the theme Agribusiness Potential of Manipur at the Conference Hall of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, today. MP Bhavananda maintained that Manipur, which comprises of hills, valley and lakes, has great potential for agribusiness. He also said that Manipur, which produces wide variety of agricultural products ranging from fruits and vegetables to bamboo products, is still facing major inconveniences with regards to marketing its products. Drawing the attention of paddy land owners to have interests in farming, he pointed out that many paddy lands are left wasted post-harvest as many paddy farmers do not own the paddy fields. Manipur Technical University, MTU, and Indian Society of Agricultural Marketing, ISAM, organized the seminar with an aim to promote agribusiness in the state. ISAM Vice President Dr. Y. Sivaji, MTU Vice Chancellor Professor L. Tombi, and ISAM Secretary T. Satyanarayana attended the event.
Whatever we produce, we have it. More than that, we have not looked beyond agriculture as a business. That's where we have lagged behind. And being landlocked, we also have problem in the connectivity. All this giving a thought, I mean, all this will be done right. Once we have the problem of the land being solved, and we have to identify what kind of crops that can be grown and that can be sold easily in the market.
Paidinga new primary school constructed and an estimated cost of 15 lakh rupees at Paidinga village is in Lamsang constituency of Imphal West District has become a haven for drug abusers. Impact News came across items used in abusing drugs in the school veranda, classrooms and toilets. Empty liquor bottles and empty packets of used contraband drugs were found scattered inside the school campus. Local club members intimated Impact News that the school was constructed during the Congress rule in 2015-16 and was later renovated by BJP-led state government. The school, with no desks and bench, however, remains to inaugurated till date. Mairapaibi members and residents of the village urged the government to look into the condition of the school without further delay.
Furniture items, materials, damta laite, ozasu laite. Kakasina miyeng changbiroi daba targadi kaigi club ki kana gadaba kaiguma thabak tharamda khoi season ajarage.
Maina akhoi primary school lama Paidinga sida sabirame kunji loichandabana maram oiduna nisha chabam amati drug kafam yaksambum oidana laire.
Mafam masida lairiba ayamba akhoi Praja Singji Suga Chabanga Gari government school aim Tauzavani. Bamatangai school Sabiramaga, Yang Vida Sida Koyate, tape up shutting the Mayama Mayong school Gimatanga.
Parents and guardians of Council of Persons with Disabilities Manipur suspended their protest, pressing 8 demands. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of the Council, Thangjam Saratkumar, stated that the Council resolved to suspend their agitation for 3 months following written assurances to meet the demands given by Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam this afternoon. He wants to intensify the agitation if the Director N.G. Uttam fails to keep his words.
Akoina Chathajarakpa Student Protest Parents and Guardian Council for Persons with Disability na Tangklumdagi Chatharakpadu ngasidagi akoi Social Welfare Director dagi aiba timeline yauba akoi demands singdu fulfill tawnabagi pibirakpadagi suspend tawraga tha ahumgi thamjare maramdi mana piribisi tha ahumgi manungda si tawba haina mana pirai written document ama oina adubu laiu phabadi sida join tawriba Director N.G. Uttam haibisina attention pibidana mana yam kana initiative lawbirak pasimak akoina nungaibu phongdoksari thagatpa phongdoksari.
Residents of Yumnam Patlau have imposed a ban on Peace and Development Coordinating Committee PDCC for being a troublemaker in the welfare activities of the area. The local residents allege PDCC of halting construction of a slab culvert on Yumnam Patlau Road in Kundrakpam constituency. Speaking to media at the culvert construction site today, General Secretary of Morning Star Club Athokpam Thoiba termed it unfortunate that PDCC even imposed a ban on Works Minister Thongam Biswajit for his recent statement in the House of the ongoing budget session, in which he held PDCC responsible for the halt in culvert repair which started last year. Thoiba further alleged PDCC of circulating false information on local dailies regarding misappropriation of funds meant for repair of the culvert.
House nazu handakta khoi service resources na masi lo shallagani haibagi sabsaba kainodu manazu phongdokpa leigrabani adu phongdokpa nungalaga khoi BDCC na press conference tawdana haiba thongsi adu udang sagi makhong du maram warga adu sum hairaga khoi sar resources bu ju khundraphong kendra dagi ma boycott tawsi khoi yaningde loinana akhoi khungang sida PDCC na lanai oina kanagum kharda nungai nadraga akhoi thabak si development tawrisida akai piba man makhar ui maram masina akhoi ngasi akhoi khungang sida leijariba akhoi club nisaban aduga village development committee na pullaga akhoi warayam luxury madudi akhoi PDCC akhoi khungang sida boycott tawre.
India today foiled Pakistan's attempt to target its military installations and shot down one Pakistan Air Force fighter aircraft. Indian Air Force fighter jets shot down an F-16 aircraft of the Pakistan Air Force that had violated the Indian airspace along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir earlier today. Briefing media in New Delhi, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Ravish Kumar said after India's airstrikes on Tuesday, Pakistan has responded Wednesday morning by using its air force, but due to India's high state of readiness, the neighboring country's attempt were foiled successfully. He said the Pakistani aircraft was seen by ground forces falling from the sky on the Pakistan side. The spokesman said in this engagement, the country has unfortunately lost one MiG-21 and pilot is missing in action. He, however, said Pakistan has claimed that the pilot is in their custody. The spokesperson said New Delhi is ascertaining the facts. Meanwhile, Pakistan Acting High Commissioner Syed Haider Saha has summoned to the External Affairs Ministry on Wednesday evening. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news. An exclusive report on a deplorable life of a differently abled mother and daughter in Lamlai constituency. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. A differently abled mother and a daughter duo live in a pitiable life in Lamlai constituency despite Pradhan Mantri Awaj Yojana Housing for All scheme. Impact News brings you an exclusive report in this regard. Social Welfare Department, Technopol and State Health Service jointly conducted an assessment camp to assess degree of disability to distribute disability certificates to differently abled persons of Technopol district today. 9 specialist doctor under State Health Service checked up the individuals attending the camp held at Primary Health Center, Technopol under Social Welfare Officer K. Subadani of Technopol district. Chief Executive Officer of Bishnupur Urban Cooperative M. Korauhan Baluwang launched Charai Pisakol scheme to provide 1,000 weaving looms and machines to 1,000 weavers and artisans of Bishnupur district. The scheme will provide loans at minimal interest rate for purchasing looms and machines to poor weavers and artisans. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla inaugurated the 47th All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2018-19 of Manipur State Kala Academy at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen today. The governor also felicitated the winners of 46th All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2017-18 on the occasion. Altogether, 21 male and female Lila parties are participating in the festival to be held till March 14th. Speaking in the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla, who is also the chairperson of Manipur State Kala Academy, asserted that the festival will help in promoting Sumang Lila and Sumang Lila performing artists. She also stressed on the significance of Sumang Lila art form in spreading message of love, peace and unity in the society. Taking part in the event, Art and Culture Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar asserted that Sumang Lila has been a part and parcel of Manipuri society. He said there are major changes witnessed in the quality of Sumang Lila performances of the olden times and the present, stating that the art form is only a means of great entertainment, but it also delivers significant social messages. Lakshmi Kumar drew attention to the relevant authority to enhance and promote the art form.
Over the generation, it has evolved not only into a popular entertainment medium for the common man, but has also become a powerful medium for the mass education. In the earlier days, Sumang Lila groups contributed to the promotion of the humanism, tolerance, confidence, devotion, truth and justice through their performance. They had not only adopted Sumang Lila as their livelihood, but also contributed their best for the betterment of society. This need to be remembered by the present Sumang Lila activists with gratitude. I am happy to learn that the present day Sumang Lila have been trying to focus on the issues of the moral values, unity and integrity, as well as brotherhood and friendship among various communities in the state.
Students' Union of Kanglei Park SUK in a press release expressed disappointment over misconduct of Section Officer Recruitment Examination conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission yesterday and urged the relevant authority to reconduct the entire examination. 26 Sector Assam Rifles More Battalion apprehended one member of proscribed UNLF near More Market today. Acting on a tip-off, a vigilant team of More Battalion conducted search operation and arrested the suspect, identified as self-styled Private Thokchom Jiban, son of Manao, 23 years, from More. Jiban reportedly confessed of being an active cadre of UNLF, having joined the outfit in November 2012 through an overground worker. He further confessed that he received basic training for 3 months in Myanmar. Imphal West Commando carried out cordon and search operations at Nagamapal area of Imphal West district today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operations Imphal West Police AG Sharma, carried out search operations from Nagamapal's Hindu Hotel to both sides of Jalal crossing from 7:50 a.m. to 8:35 a.m. A total of 470 individuals were verified and 16 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. 6 Assam Rifles organized one-day veterinary camp at Lilong Chajing Mamang Laikai in Langtabal constituency today. A mobile field veterinary hospital provided facility to check up domesticated livestock in the area and also distributed free medicines during the camp. Speaking to media, 6 AR Commandant A.K. Das stated that the camp was held to help people of the area who are unable to provide treatment for their domesticated animals. He also expressed desire to organize such camp even in future. Corporator of Langtabal Nagar Panchayat, Ward Number 4, M. Joy Kumar appreciated the initiative of 6 Assam Rifles.
We had projected this case, and today I am very happy that we have been able to organize this veterinary camp, and mobile veterinary clinic has come over here. And the response that we have gotten from the village are very encouraging. And times to come, seeing the response, we will be organizing such veterinary camps at various locations in Imphal so as to provide necessary medical treatment for the animals for whom the care is not as much as which is prevalent for the individuals who are there in the villages. So that is what our basic aim is, and that is why we are organizing this camp over here.
Nakna moi thabak chumba bayam action je local pirpasi koina di mo welcome tawi kaido afaba khongthang amane lawe.
And in sports news, 16 sportspersons of Manipur who bagged medals in international beach combat game held at Panaji in Goa from January 17 till 20 and world record holder Y Gobin were felicitated today. Kickboxing Association of Manipur organized the felicitation ceremony sponsored by social worker S. Presyojit at Kongbamaka Nantaibamaka Laikai. It may be recalled that the 16 Manipuri players representing the Indian team bagged 11 gold medals and 5 bronze medals in the international event.
Kickboxing Association kan hodnari Manipur Olympic Association da ikhoisu maduda affiliate toraga madu voting right leina na ba ikanna akhoi mari leina ba authority sing da ikanna wari sajari masiga khoi phangnaba tauri aduka akhoi gi national level dusu wako level dusu akhoi kanna akhoi mari leina na ba du toraga saigi national level da international level da akhoi gi masi recognition ama phangraga Olympic dusu masi channa na ba haibase akhoi gi world level da kanna hodna din lebne.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren launches mobile laboratory on Bike LA Bike service to reach out healthcare facilities to people residing in remote areas of Manipur. All India Trinamool Congress Committee, Manipur urges 60 state MLAs to resolve against CAB 2019 bill in the ongoing state legislative assembly. Yet to be inaugurated Paidinga New Primary School in Lamsang constituency becomes heaven for drugs abusers. Indian Air Force shoots down F-16 aircraft of Pakistan Air Force. External Affairs Ministry says India foils Pakistan's attempt to target its military installations. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah says Sumang Lila art form plays pivotal role in spreading message of love, unity and peace in society.